Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 2nd, 2021. In this edition we have 6 extra puzzles: letter Sudoku 2 stars, the 3 stars, the Tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a Tectonic with 1 star. Today I've told you I've only do half of them. I've already solved the 3 stars, the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles, the other 3. But first we will solve this baby number 3482. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? No. Triple boxes? No. Triple boxes. Quadra boxes then? No quadra boxes either. So now it's time. My next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, constrictions, structures, whatever, you name it. Alright, the first one is this one. Yes, let me draw this one. Let me draw this one. This one. Yeah. This one. If you see this kind of shape or figure, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Yes, this shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following figure. How about this shape? Here. This shape. We have this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape in this puzzle? No. Then the last, I think this is the last shape or figure, the L shape. The L shape. Long time no see the L shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this puzzle we have 4 shapes that you need to recognize. There are more, but in this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. These 3 boxes Surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, if I fill a 1 here, I cannot place anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and a 3. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2, 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be a 1. But I have marked those 2 boxes with 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be here. Okay. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, should be a difficult one, this one. You know, for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. You will see. We will see. Okay. So let me think. 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This box. Yeah. Let me think. Hard one. 5555. Yeah. Look, this cross area, this box cannot be A5. That box cannot be A5. So the 5 should be in one of those 3 boxes. The 5. That means that this box cannot be a 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround a 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Oh, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 oh wait. Wait. One. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And I've eliminated the 5. Well, those 2 boxes could be a 5. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. Oh, we already have a 4 here. Okay. So this is not the solution to place the 4 here. Okay. Let me think then. 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there. If I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. So it's not a solution to place the 4 here. The 4 should be there. Okay. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Because those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This is a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it's gonna be 1, gonna be 3. Sorry. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, could be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, okay, this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. Okay. Okay. Well. Well, this box cannot be 3 or 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 or 5 in those two boxes. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 5. Of course, this is connected with that box, 3 and a 5. 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Okay. 3 and a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. I've marked I've marked this box with 3 or 5. So it can be a 5. We already have a 5 here. So this box is connected with that box. We also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. And this box is connected with that box. So we also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Okay. 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 Let me continue. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 3, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4. Cannot be a 5, so definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finishing 90 minutes. Yes. It's not a 4 stars. It's not a 3 stars. Yes, definitely a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Yes. See you tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.